Amy again, guys. Just going to show you this door. Oh, hold on. I've got the light. Just going to turn the light off. Yeah, this door is really tight. The lock. You can't do that. You can't lock it. But you have to pull it. Right. You can't lock it. Right. So just push your foot against it. Then you can't get a key out. But, check that out. So another letdown. Guys, this is from Hoover in the Lodge once. And that's from the Hoover. Welcome guys to Warmwell. Fire, TV, lounge here, goes into the kitchen, toaster, kettle's cleaner, cooker, microwave, your bins, freezer, fridge. So this is an 8 berth. I think this also turns into a bed, one of these sofas. Not sure what this is. This is just a storage cupboard. Yeah, storage cupboard in there, guys. Quite a big TV. Bathroom. Shower as well. Got the old bath. Electric shower. Towel rail. It's the main bedroom. Bit of storage. Electric heaters. No central heating in. Should view out the back. TV. And dressing table. No chair. No chair, guys. 2 single beds. Oh, you got a chair in this one. TV up there. Little dresser table. Storage. Another bedroom. Right. So you've got 3 bedrooms. Back out here. Little seating area. Bit disappointed. I don't think you can see it. I don't think there's a camera to pick it up. This window is full of dog hairs. Been up to the reception. This is the master bedroom. So look at the ceiling. What do you think of that? So, alright, I say you're only sleeping in here, but this is what you say, that all the wood's blown apart. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, again, saying being fussy, but when you pay a lot of money, you probably can't see it. All across there is cobwebs. This room here, spare room, in the ceiling. Yeah, look. And it looks like they're already putting people in here, so they don't really care. Don't care enough. Walls are like marked. Again, probably being fussy. Oh, bear in mind, guys, these haven't got central heating. Look, this is what you got. And you've got obviously these wall heaters. Let's switch that off because I'm leaving now anyway. Bathroom's not too bad, I suppose. Don't think there's any much problems with the bathroom. Ceiling could be a little bit of attention there. I mean, I'm not expecting like miracles, but right, guys, just give you a little update. This is a bit of a letdown in this chalet. It's supposed to be a superior chalet. So look at this for maintenance. It's disgusting. I mean, this is a side, disgusting. Some people might say being picky, but I paid a lot of money for this lodge. So this is the, that was the kitchen area. Now going to the door. Look at the state of the door, guys. I mean, how long would that take them to put a bit of paint on there? This is the outside door. Look at the marks on that. This was full of dog hair. Couldn't even clean that. I will just point out the quality of this lodge. The woodwork. Needs a bit of TLC, don't you think, guys? Yeah. No bar there. Just poor upkeep of the woodwork. Right, guys, that's been a week at Warmwell in Dorset. So booked it quite last minute. This is a superior lodge, version 1. Well, got into the accommodation and it was quite a letdown in the maintenance side of things. I'll show you that in the video. Check it out. So very poor. I'd give a rating of this park good. Staff are really good, friendly. Entertainment staff is really nice, but they do have their favourites in the evening. If you go in there and spend the evening in there, they have a game show. They do have their little favourites tables. So anyone new, you're not going to get a look in. Like, only little prizes, but you know, I think they should make an effort of trying to include everyone. Some of them do. Security are really friendly. Restaurant staff have been really friendly. Overall, been good. Now, this version, I went up to reception and complained, and they gave me, or was going to give me £60 in vouchers, but to spend on site. That's the only thing, you know. I said, no, that's not good enough. Not for what I'll show you in the video. All the maintenance let down, and this place stunk, really stunk, high heaven of a dog. I know they're dog friendlies, but it was suffocating. Anyway, I got £100, but I've had to use them in the restaurant, and they gave me £25 vouchers. So if you either got to overspend or underspend, so they're very crafty with that. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to be taking this up after the holiday when I get back. I wouldn't mind coming back again because I've got plenty of facilities. I'll show you on the walk round. Check that video out. But yeah, thanks guys for watching Southerners on Tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe.